Girls, we're gonna look at a fire truck today. Today we're gonna look at a ladder truck. It's called a ladder truck because it has a really big ladder on the top. The job of a ladder truck is to search for people and find them, and to make sure that we can get into the building that we need to get into in a very quick way. So what color is the fire truck? Red? Right, the fire truck is red. So there's a lot of different things on this fire truck. Just like every fire truck, you have to have tools, right? But the first thing we can look at is the driver's seat. This is the driver of the fire truck. It sits right here. And they have a steering wheel. And they can make sure that we get to where we need to go when we need to go there. And they get us there quickly and safely. Next, I can show you the inside. Here's the inside. Look at it, right? These are my air packs. The air packs firefighters need to use when we need to go into a burning building. Because when it's smoky, that smoke is really bad. We don't like smoke. But that air gives us good air so we don't have to breathe the smoke. We also have flashlights, right? So many flashlights. Right? So we can use these flashlights so we can see in the dark. You ready? Whoa! Look at that! It's so bright, huh? Very cool. Oh, the firefighters are calling. Can you hear? Whoa. Let's go back to the outside. Next, I can show you the pump panel. The pump panel is used so we know where the water is going, and the water has to get to the right place at the right time. Because there's so many different hoses, so we need to use the right hoses. As you can see, there's so many buttons and so many levers, and the driver needs to know what each one does so he makes sure that the firefighters have water. And up here, what color are those hoses? Huh? Look, what color is this one? Blue. What color is this hose? I can't hear you. What color is this hose? Yellow. And what color is this one? White and blue. Very good, right? And so I can show you some more things. There's a lot of different compartments. You want me to open up this one? All right, what do you think's in here? Close. It's chainsaws. Whoa, look at that thing. That's a chainsaw. Some people use chainsaws to cut trees. We use chainsaws to cut the roof, right? To make sure we have a hole in the roof so all that bad smoke goes away. All right. And over here, you see our flag, right? That's our flag of America. All right, let's keep going. And what color are these hoses? Huh? What color are these hoses? Yellow. Good job. Very good. So we keep going around. We have so many different compartments, right? So many different compartments. What's in here? Oh, I hit the jackpot. Whoa. I think you know these tools, huh? What's this one? It's a different color. It's a Halligan. And this is an axe. That's right. We use all these tools so firefighters can do their job quickly and safely. All right. Very cool, right? And on the side here, we have more hose. All right, well, thank you guys for looking at the fire trucks with me. I love you very much, and I miss you so, so much. I hope you girls are being good for mommy. All right, I love you. Bye-bye.